Hello, Mandela effect people, or people who are interested in it. So, the Mandela effect is a collection of out of place artifacts. So, if that is the case, if that is like a simple definition, where the theory of what is going on is still under discussion, because the whole thing is a plausibility of deniability, which is why it's not really a threat to anyone. Remembering the labels of products one way and then seeing the labels of products another way. But if you have an artifact evidence, so this is a roll of right 50-cent pieces. Okay, everybody knows, John F. Kennedy is on the 50-cent piece. I think some casinos still use 50-cent pieces, maybe laundromats. So if you're going through a roll of 50-cent pieces, what is this? So this is Donald Trump on a 50-cent piece from 2016. So the election was in 2016 and the inauguration was in 2017. So nobody knew who was going to be president in 2017. This is 2016. So if you win the election in November, you would have 2 months to make that coin. Well, the dyes to make coins take years to sculpture, commission, get approval, right? So so it's a collector's, coin. How would you know to manufacture that coin a year before the inauguration? Some coins take 10 years to produce, right? So there are other coins that are out of place artifacts. I'm going to throw those up here at this. So some of the theories about the Mandela effect are like these time travelers are with the butterfly effect causing these ripples in our timeline. And so we have a news article where there's a professor, he's making a time machine. So this first picture is the face of this nickel from 2067. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the face of the nickel, and here is the reverse of the nickel. So those nickels are not mine. Those are posted in coin collectors, internet pictures, and no one is claiming responsibility for those nickels, I think it would be, illegal to have nickels from the year 2067. So this is my phone. It's not an iPhone. Because I got a phone that is, not on the top 10 lists for the hacking. I'll just tell you right now, my area code is 818 area code. It's an Android phone, so like people in the 818 area code, we all had Blackberries back in the day, right? So this is my Blackberry. So if you could see this, I switched my service off this Blackberry. It's still getting messages, and if you notice, it's got a message from 2043, and I'm going to post up. I went with a blow-up camera, and I blew up the screen, and I'm going to put that up on the screen for you. So I think that there's something going on with this Mandela effect, if you will, or something really hinky is going on. So this is the screenshot from my Blackberry. Now since I took this screenshot, it's still receiving messages, and I've switched my phone service. That should be a dead phone. So maybe it's hackers. I don't know what it's picking up. I'm going to store this phone in a safe deposit box, and because I really don't know what to do with it. It's not even turned on the service. So if you notice, even though you have like hard artifacts or messages from another time, it's still plausible deniability. So the Blackberry, if you know anything about a Blackberry, it uses network time. Now, was I getting the message from 2043 when I still have service? It was around the same time that I switched phones. And if you notice, it keeps putting the latest message on top. So the message from 2043 is always going to be on top of that phone until you're at 2043. So the Trump coin is interesting. Now the nickel from 2067, now that's way out there. So did I notice anything different? No. If you talk to anyone with the Mandela effect, if they wake up in the morning and they feel like they're in an alternate universe. Well, I didn't experience anything. There was no UFO sighting. I felt no change, when that hit my Blackberry phone. If you know anything about quantum theory, in the electron orbitals, the electron cloud. The electron is quantum tunneling. All of our electrons are quantum tunneling, and they're going from one place in space to another without going in the space in between. So we're always getting electrons from another time and space. So if enough electrons, come from another time, then you're going to have these glitches in the matrix. And with the butterfly effect, you're going to see some of these anomalies. Now, the coin from 2067, that could have been done, I don't know, with someone with a set of coin dies, I guess. Sand casting, maybe. I don't have the coins from 2067. They appear on coin trading networks. I don't know if anyone's trying to sell it. At the moment you tried to sell that coin, you're going to have, they're probably going to come down on you. This BlackBerry, I'm going to try to erase the memory stored in a safe deposit box. Hopefully there's a way to, it's a result of hacking, and then it's a plausible deniability. But I've checked the network time. There's no way to fake that date on there. So hopefully there's an explanation for some of these things.